Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Chrome browser, working microphone, and microphone permissions enabled. Open your Google Doc and position the cursor where text should appear. Click Tools, then Voice Typing to reveal the microphone control. Click it to begin. Speak clearly, at a steady pace, and include punctuation verbally like comma and period so Docs inserts it. Once done, glance at the document to confirm words match your speech and adjust your mic distance if the transcription lags. Continue by optimizing how you speak. Use short, deliberate phrases and say punctuation out loud so Google inserts it correctly. If a specialized name or acronym appears wrong, pause and spell it so the engine learns the pattern. You can also edit immediately with keyboard shortcuts. Make sure the microphone input level is stable, move closer for quiet sections, and further if clipping occurs. Once done, change the language or regional dialect in the voice typing menu to improve recognition for accents and technical vocabulary. To finish, proofread the document for common voice typing errors like homophones, missing capitalization, or punctuation quirks, and make manual edits with keyboard shortcuts to save time. Export or share the file once formatting is correct. If voice typing stops or mishears too often, restart Chrome, check site microphone permissions, and test an alternate microphone. One key troubleshooting tip: disable extensions that access audio or try an incognito window to isolate conflicts. This usually resolves most recognition.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.